Hi beauties, it's Jean from Beauty and the Stamper, and it's paper pumpkin time. This beautiful box, I cannot wait. And now that I'm looking, I thought these were flowers. They're actual little pumpkins. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna open this up and see what's inside. I always wait for you guys to see, and I'm not strong today. So let's see what we got here. All right. Oh, I should have known by the color of the box that the color of the ink was going to be Lost Lagoon. I don't use this color enough. I think it's a beautiful color. And then we've got this. I'm going to take this out here. And we've got our stamp set. Let's see if I can find a white piece of paper to look at this. There we go. We've got the pumpkin. Oh. I'm thinking that's the top of the pumpkin. And then these leaves here. It says grateful for you, thank you, for you, thanks, and with love and gratitude. So those are pretty. Let's see. And then of course this tissue paper. Beautiful. What color is it? It's like a mossy meadow, I'd say. Let's go ahead and get into this one. Oh goodness, I'm already loving this. And I think there was a journal that you could purchase as well. Oh, let's see here. All right. So I've had some people show interest in my paper pumpkin bingo night. So I'm going to go ahead and move forward with that. I don't have all the information or the details now, but if you subscribe to my newsletter, you'll be able to get that. All you need to do is go to beautyandthestamper.com and a little pop-up will come up and you can sign up for my newsletter at that time, or in the description of this YouTube video, you'll also have a link there to sign up. All right. Obviously, they always send us the great dimensionals. These are mini dimensionals this time. And then we have some tear and tape as well. I love this because all you need is scissors, and you could usually do, and a block, of course, that they send you on your first one. Let's see, we've got some envelopes. So how many can we make here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different cards. These are the card bases. And it looks like we've got 8 of those. So they're all going to be the same. Blank white on the inside. And then textured look on the outside. I look at everything before I actually see the piece of paper, I guess. But we've got 2, 4, 6, 8 of these. And these are what looks to be boxes. Oh, forget about it. They are little bags. So they have little marks that we could put these in. Oh, so cute. And then it's got the little V's. So these will crush in the middle here. Oh, look at that. How cute. So if you're having like people over for Thanksgiving, this would make a cute little gift bag for them. We've got some pumpkin leaves, some large orange pumpkins, and some smaller white pumpkins. We've got some little mini glue dots. We've got some labels. some more of these leaves. They kind of look like eucalyptus, but I'm not real sure what they are. If you know what they are, let me know in the comments below. And then we've got some gold as well. I'm going to take one of these out so you could see it, because I know that it'll be much easier. So look at that. Let me get that white piece again. And look at that. And you can see that great gold shimmer there. So, oh goodness. And there's tissue paper in between those. So there's a little one as well. And then this is what we're making. Okay, so they don't all go together. You've got 8 cards, and then you've got the 8 bags as well. So it says, with love and gratitude, paper pumpkin kit. And this was the one for September. Unfortunately, this one's not available any longer. When you want to get the month's kit, you have to do so before the 10th of each month. So you can join on the 10th of each month, and you can keep it going, or you can buy a 3-month, whatever you'd like, and then you can cancel at any time. So it shows you the exact things to do to make your great little cards. Same with the bags. Okay, and little glue dots or dimensionals go here to keep that closed tightly. And look at how beautiful that is. That is just adorable. It shows you exactly where you need to put everything, where you need to put your glue dots. And I'll tell you what, if you are new to crafting, this is the way to go. So nice. Oh, here we go. So project 1 and project 2. And then it tells you everything you get. It says enough for 8 cards and 8 bags. That's great. I mean, where can you get 16 things for this price? So, so good. And then it has some little alternatives as well. So I cannot wait. I love to do the unboxing, but more than that, I love to put it together with you guys as well. So I hope you'll join me tomorrow as we put this together, and I will see you at that time. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.